Welcome back to part 2 of my smoothie series. Today I'm starting with some of the leftover almond milk from my first video. Into the blender it goes, creamy, fresh, and homemade. Next, I grab one of my frozen fruit packs that I meal prepped ahead of time. These are such a lifesaver, just dump them right in and you're ready to go. If you haven't seen my smoothie meal prep video yet, make sure you check it out. In that one, I show you how I portion and freeze my fruits to save money while packing in vitamins that nourish my body. Then I do 1 scoop of protein powder and all of my vitamins and minerals and things that help my skin glow, my hair grow, and my nails stay strong. If you're curious about the details of what I use and why, watch my extended smoothie video where I walk you through each one. After a splash of vanilla, I'll add the chia seeds. These little guys are full of fiber and help keep me fuller for longer. And cinnamon goes in next. Not only is it delicious, but it also helps support healthy blood sugar levels. Every time I make a smoothie, it tastes a little bit different, which keeps things fun and interesting. Of course, I can't forget my greens. These come straight from my indoor hydroponic garden. Fresh greens are loaded with nutrients and flavor so much better than store-bought, and the best part is you can grow your own food even in a small space. If you are interested in my hydroponic garden, I also have a video on that too. Just check the playlist. To finish off, I add mushroom powder for brain health, a splash of fresh lime juice, a drizzle of honey, and then I blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. And just like that, another delicious smoothie is ready, one for now and one for later. Thanks for joining me on another day of my smoothie series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, nourishing recipes. See you next time.